Amy, you promised me in the previous video that you would unveil all the amazing properties of Amazonite. Can this little stone really make a difference?
Absolutely, Tani. Amazonite is the stone of truth and courage. It helps you with your heart, and it helps you feel very self-assured. Not only that, but it gives you the right words at the right time.
Sounds like something I could really use.
If you're ever going into a difficult situation where you're not quite sure you have the right words to say, stick a piece of Amazonite in your pocket.
Wait, can I place these on my chakra points?
Maybe. Tune into the next video to get that information.
Not again.